Today we talk about how can you add your website on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click here on your photo profile. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on edit. When you just click here on edit, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on website, just click on it, and here enter your link. Then you click on change. So then it's going to add with you here your websites on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.